So we're getting these parts ready to epoxy. They've all been stripped down to bare metal. Just got them cleaned up, get them ready to get some epoxy on them so we can start the bodywork process. This is parts for the 1957 Apache that we're working on. I'm getting ready to spray them, get some epoxy on them, man. It's to prevent any rust. That's the first coat that we do. All this metal is clean. We get it all epoxied, and then we start our body work over the epoxy, and we usually lay epoxy again over the body work, and then we put primer over it, block it, prime it, block it, and start painting. But epoxy, if you don't do epoxy first, the rust will come back. Stayed in there.